Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to show you a very useful product from Samsung. It's an original product and you need to buy this product because if you have a phone without a 3.5mm audio jack output, then the only way to use your old headphones or to use your old microphone together with your new phone is to have an adapter like this. So basically for €10 you can buy an original adapter from USB-C to 3.5 jack and use it with your Samsung device. Why I decided to buy a Samsung one? Because I believe in Samsung original products. They are of a good quality and I think this will be very useful for my new Samsung Galaxy S20. This is how the box looks like. It's very compact. You have the description of the product here, a picture with the product here on the front, and let's jump inside the box to see what's it's in there. So when we open it, it will look like this. So this is the adapter. The packaging is very nice. It looks very premium. But of course I paid €10 for this one. And this is the little device. It's very small. I would say it's like 10 centimeters. Here we have the 3.5 jack and here we have the USB-C adapter. Let me clean the desk. And this is the phone. So basically you introduce this USB-C here, okay, and if you have some old headphones like I do, for example, these Apple headphones are very good and I really love them. So I was quite upset when I saw that Samsung didn't put new 3.5 jack on the new devices. So here you just insert the old headphones, and now as you can see the old headphones, or again the microphone, if you are using an external microphone, they are connected to the new device. And this is how it goes. Let me test to see what is the quality of the sound. Let me test the headphones. So let me open one of our videos. So this one, for example. Yeah, so the quality is very good. It's very loud, so it's like you connect these headphones directly to the phone. Yeah, again, this is how it looks like. I like it. So if you need something like this, feel free to buy this product. So the box looks like this. €10 in my country. It should be around the same in your country. So feel free to buy it. Thanks for watching.